Hello guys, I'm Simo and today I'm gonna show you how to use SetoChan to make your Discord server, and it'll be very easy since we're gonna use this bot that is AI powered that helps you create a whole server from one prompt and manage it however you want, and it also comes with a bunch of other commands that you can use for moderation that helps you manage your server and like do whatever all the things that you want. It's multi-purpose bot, but the main feature is to create services, which makes this bot unique. This is the bot we are talking about, and I'm gonna create a server very quickly. The name, it doesn't matter for now because after we generate the server, the name gonna change depending on what we described. So I'm gonna show you from where to add SetoChan. You're just gonna go to any browser and type SetoChan like this, and you're gonna click the first site that says SetoChan website pages and click invite. Go back to Discord. Make sure to select the server we just created, give it administrator permission, and click authorize. Once you add the bot, it'll send you a message with a guide of how to use it. So we're gonna use that guide to make the make our first server. So first thing, it says set a model. That's what you're gonna do. Set model, and I'm gonna actually select free model, Gemini 2.0 Flash, and now we're gonna use generate command to describe what server we wanted to create. Generate, this is the command, and then click send. And here you're gonna describe what server you want, how do you want it, and what channels you want, etc. So I'm gonna be very simple just for this video. So I'm gonna say something simple like create um, a server about anime, make it cute, cute, a static thing, and oh, beautiful. So I'm gonna click submit, and we just wait for a few seconds. It can take up to minutes, but usually it's very quickly, like 30 seconds. Okay, it's already done. Look the server. It gives you a preview before you confirm. So I like this one. It has a lot of channels and it looks great, beautiful. So I'm gonna click yes. And now, as you see, the channels start deleting, and now it's creating the rules, I guess. Okay, now it started building the categories and channels. It's very quick, and it also send custom rules, simple stuff, simple cute stuff, and it also enables the Discord community features, which is great. And you don't have to do anything. It's also set up activity alerts and stuff. So that's great. Now we are done from the first main thing that helps you create the server from scratch. Now it's gonna prompt you, ask you if you would like to set a welcome channel that where when someone's new joins, a message gonna send to that channel. So we're gonna definitely do that and select welcome channel. Okay, we're gonna test, and as you see here, it's mentioned me. All right, as you see, it sent a very beautiful welcome message. This thing, it will be sent whenever someone joins. All right, and after we're done from this, you can simply mention the bots SetoChan and ask her to do whatever you want. For example, let's just expand this. For example, I want to delete the NSFW channels. Delete all the NSW channels, including the category. By the way, don't forget to mention her so she can do what you said. Okay, as you see, the channels are deleted. Okay, it didn't delete the channels, it deleted only the categories. So I'm gonna reply to the message so she can respond. Delete the NSLW channels too. All right, great. Now, I think that's it. You can definitely do a lot. For example, I'm gonna change the server name. Change the server name to um, shell server. This is just for testing, by the way. All right, as you see, the server name changed. Okay, great. Let's, for example, create some other type of channels like stage. We need a stage. Make a stage channel for um for movie nights. Guys, be aware that she won't do this if you didn't mention her by tagging her or replying to her messages. So if you just send uh, a message like do this, she won't do anything. So yeah, here we go. She created the movie night. I also change the movie night channel name to match other channels. All right. Okay, great. Anyway, guys, this is all for this video. This is just was tutorial how to use SetoChan. You can make something crazy with it. Also, you can just check the help command just to learn about all the other commands that you can use, moderation commands and auto mode, etc. So yeah, this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.